Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Focus English app. The first step is to click here, the media player. The media player, you will be able to listen to our lesson. So as you can see, we have the levels down the bottom, just over here. So we have A1 for beginners, A2, B1, and we are going to add new audio and a number of different other things. So to listen, you just click play. How do you say this in English?
Computer.
Very good, everybody. Computer.
Computer.
A computer.
Computer.
Very good. Everybody. One, two, three. Everybody. And the secret here is to practice, repeat many times. So if you are on the bus, on the train, try to listen to our lessons as many times as possible. This will help you learn English faster. Now, the second part is lessons. Here we have the recorded videos and exercises. In this part here, where we can see the online classrooms, are for the students that want to participate in the conversation classes. So remember that we have different packages for the app, just for the app, for the conversation classes online as well. Here, in membership, we have the different types of membership, information about you, your name, and so on. And of course, if you need help, just click here and you can speak with our team using WhatsApp. Now, let's click in lessons. Let's click in lessons and watch some of the videos to learn English. After we click in lessons, we click in A1. There are different levels. So let's click A1, start. There we go. So as you can see here, there are many different lessons. Lesson 1, lesson 2, 3, 4. So there are hundreds of different lessons. Now, the first one, we click here, the plus button. And let's do this lesson. So each of these here, as you can see, is a lesson with exercise and video for you to practice. Let's click in alphabet. So the first step is to click play to watch the video. So everybody, A, B, D, E, F, G, H. You can pause the video, as you can see here on the left side, there is a pause for the video. So you just click there. If you want to increase the size of the video, you can click here as well. Now, after you watch the video many times and repeat many times, it's very important that you repeat. English is not difficult. It's practice, practice, and practice. So after you watch the video, you will listen. In this exercise, you have to first read what you need to do. So in this case, listen and select the right option. So we are going to listen by clicking
pen, P-E-N,
and select the right option. So P-E-N. Remember, don't forget to repeat. So the right option is this. So we say P-E-N. Let's go to the second exercise. Let's listen again.
book, B-O-O-K.
Yes, so it's book. So very easy. So you just click B-O-O-K. So after you finish all the exercises, you click check. So as you can see here, it's green and green because we completed this exercise. But if we scroll down, look, it's red because we didn't complete, or maybe because it's wrong. And then we can try one more time. After we finish everything, you just click check. Let's click check. And then down the bottom here, look, it gives us the result, 20%. After we finish, we just click continue. So the continue is just down here. Okay, so there are a number of different exercises. So let's do some of the exercise from lesson 2. So in this exercise here, for example, look, we watch the video. Everybody, 1, 2, 3. Remember to repeat many times. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Practice, practice, practice. Now, in this part, we are going to listen, repeat, and complete. So, let's listen.
My phone number is 07810340653.
So, let's listen again to see if it's correct. I think it's not correct. Let's start here.
My phone number is 07810340653.
Let's check.
My phone number is 07810340653.
So that's correct. So what I do now is I repeat to practice. My phone number is 07810340653. Now repeat many times, okay? Remember, 0, the same. 000. And repeat, repeat. Let's complete one more. Let's listen.
Focus English School's number is 07751848795.
So you have to be very fast. Okay, so listen and complete. So after you finish, you click check. There we go. So my first two, the ones that I did, they're both correct because they are green. But if you look down the bottom, they are red because they are wrong. So we click check again, finish all the exercise and continue. So yes, in the app, there are many different types of exercise. Look at this one, lesson 7. This one is very nice. This one is for listening. So you can practice your addresses, to how to say the postcodes here in London, in the UK. Let's take a look. There are some other listening activities, or match the sentences, or professions. Let's click on this one. This one is nice as well. So we can learn lots of... So we can learn about the professions and so on and try to complete. So remember, repeat, repeat, repeat. Now, there is something very important here. So for example, let's complete this one. How much and how many? Let's click. Let's read the information, the explanation. Next. Now, when I am completing, look, here there is a problem. Okay, we need to pay attention to a few things. Money. The word money is uncountable, and we can't use many. And there is another problem. Look, M, capital, big, not good. So we have to make sure that we use this. Sorry, let me put it again. We need to make sure that we use this. Sorry, that's not good. Use this one here to change the capitalization. So here we're going to go there, click, and put much. Because for this answer is, much. And attention, so lowercase, make sure it's capital. So in the beginning of the sentence is capital letter, in the middle of the sentence lowercase. If I put capital, it will be incorrect. So yes, there are lots and lots of different exercises you can see for you to practice. Remember, repeat, repeat, practice, practice. Thank you.